Hello YouTube and welcome back to another review. Last time we left off, I was reviewing this, my S22 Ultra phone. Love it so far, it's been great. Before I get into this one, I'm going to apologize if there's any noise in the background because the neighbors are doing some construction, so might have a little bit of background noise. But this is my the Frontier 3, I think it's a Frontier 3 Sport. I think Samsung smartphone. I love it. It's been great. I've had it for a couple of years now and it still works great, still been fantastic. But recently, since I got this and my whole nightmare of a situation with Samsung that I was working through with their customer service, took a while, but I ended up getting one of these. I did pay a little bit extra for it. They didn't give it to me free. But I got a good deal on it, so I decided to give it a try because I've always liked this one, so I figured why not see what's new in the smartphone world. So I'm just opening this up. I have already pre-cut the tabs on the back just for easy access to open it. But so far, this is the new smartwatch. So first initial impressions, it seems small to me. I don't like the black band. I'm a big fan of red bands. I don't know why. I've always liked them that way. I know the screen is either the same size or bigger on this one, but the bezel is smaller, which I think is kind of an optical illusion. I think it's making me think that this one's bigger, but I don't think it actually is. I think this one's bigger. But looking at it is kind of weird. From a side point of view, this one is taller. It's a little thicker. And the bezel is a little more rigid, whereas this bezel's a little kind of finer and more smooth. And I haven't even turned it on. I don't know. I'm assuming it works probably the same. Like on this one. Go back there. Kind of working upside down, but on this one I have like the apps and you can scroll through them and do all that. So I'm assuming this one will be the same. But, and then in the box here, there's also another box. I think, is there anything else in there? Nope, nothing else in there. So there's just this, and this has, well, hopefully you can hear this construction in the background. You know I'm telling the truth. Okay, so this is just a docking station. I'm assuming with the USB port. Yeah, this is just a docking station with a USB port, which is great because I'll keep my normal one up in my bedroom and then one in my home office, and then maybe I'll get another one for my work office. So I'll keep that there. But first initial impressions, I like that they kept the look somewhat the same. I'm excited to switch it out to a red strap. And see how that goes. Other than that, I might in the future post an actual review video if you guys want. So if you have any questions, comments, feel free to post them below in the comments. Obviously, same as always, like, share, subscribe, and maybe post some video suggestions because I got a lot of ideas, but I don't know what you guys want to watch. So let me know what you think, and like, share, subscribe. Other than that, I'll see you later.